Hi, my name is Dan Bullion with Bullion RV Center in Duluth, Minnesota, and today I'm going to show you our brand new 2024 Forest River Flagstaff. This is the 282 RD fifth wheel. We'll show you the inside, we'll show you the outside, and we'll see what you think.
Alright, up front you do have full pass-through storage. Two 30-pound propane tanks, one on each side. You can see the all-aluminum substructure. There's a table that you can hook to the outside, which is stored in that pass-through. All fiberglass exterior on the Flagstaff. Does come equipped with the Curt turn point hitch for customers that have short bed trucks. More storage up front here with vented battery box. There is solar on the roof along with prep on the front there as well. Over here you have outside shower and your auto level control center along with water filter. Two slides on the 282 RD. Slide toppers as well. And then you do have prep for a backup camera, exterior ladder, and there is a hitch on the back as well. Huge electric awning with LED lighting, and that is a metal wrapped awning for when it goes in, it'll protect that fabric. Goodyear endurance tires. 4 steps going in with the nice grab handle. And we've got a rear kitchen floor plan with solid surface countertops. You've got pop-up outlets and USB in the corner there. 2 windows with shades in the back. Lots of storage up above and below. Stainless steel full-size microwave with full-size oven as well. There are additional outlets in that corner too. And then you do have 12-volt refrigerator and freezer with side pantry. Full-size reclining theater seating. Cup holders on both chairs, and then a charging station for your cell phone. Roll-out MCD shading. And then directly across from the theater seating you've got your flat screen TV and full-size booth dinette, which will go down into a bed. Does have storage down below. Your hutch area here has your control panel with GFCI outlets and more USB ports, along with additional countertop space and more storage. Nice grab handle going up to the steps here. And full-size bathroom with sink, medicine cabinet with mirror. Huge shower. There's a seat in there as well. And then you've got porcelain toilet and fantastic venting. Fantastic fan in the bathroom. Full-size queen bed, and then you've got nightstands on each side with outlets, overhead storage. There is an air conditioner up here in the bedroom area too, along with a nice wardrobe slide to give you extra clothing storage. So some drawers there, and then hanging clothes storage there. And you've got TV backer location right in the corner there, along with a window on that side. I'll do one more walk around here.
Well, my name is Dan Bullion with Bullion RV Center in Duluth, Minnesota. If you're interested in this new 2024 Forest River Flagstaff 282 RD fifth wheel, call or text at 218-740-4963. Thanks for watching this video and have a great day.